Manipur lingang na handagta pass kiba Private School Rules and Regulation Act lisingani kunga mari asina maram oiraga private schools ingi thabak thauram kayada ayet apan kaya pibana janariba ek asi yabang amloi haina All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association gi maikei digi thamlakli All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association Manipur na senduna pangthokiba kunmathoi shuba private school day gi thauramda ek asibu yabang amloi haina thamlakhibani Manipur Press Club the Pangthokiba Thoramadu Association Asigi President Laisram Joina said Asigi Housing Wariba Fiba Masuna Maram Oiraga state Asida Lariba private schools in the Maikai Kayadagi Puba Tangmang Loidaba demand Kaya Taurak Persona School Chalari Basing da Awaba Kudongja Dabakaya Matengnari School Tauzari Basing Asina Khanna School Tauzari Basing Asigi Khanna Marilena Basing na School Singbo Disturbance Free Zone Ohan Biu Haina Pauzelakli Tauramaduga Mari Lainana Disturbance Free Educational Zone Demand National Educational Policy NEP 2020 Amadi Private School Rules and Regulation Act 2024 Himatangda Khana Nainabagi Mifamasu Association Asigi President Joy Ex-President Doren Khan Khanganba Amadi Advisor and Tombana Presidium Member Oiduna Pangthoki Tauramaduda Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Chairman Takhelambam Ojit Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Chairman Akham Joy Kumar Yauna state asigi toan ba private schools ingi mihut sing na sarukya
Manipur Private School Rules and Regulation Act 2017 Hairiba Rule Sina Manipur da private school mayam sing asi regulate tawna bagi damakta government na puthokiba adumba ek amani ek asi mamangda koi government ga hanjin kara hana khanna graba adumlaba ek amani masya government so koida hairi pot khudi maktu makoina khannagani nainagani amadi soidana madu tawgani habigi akoida promise tawkiba kaya masulai adubu hairiba promising adu na thaira kanda 2017 na pass tawkiba ek adu handaki assembly da koi amen khara tawi hairiba amen du da akoina tangjakriba demand amadi akoina semtoni ba Khara du yawi na bagi damata akoin approach tawsigi adum hairiba sing si tabidana gamena adum gamengi oiba tawum thoba khara adum tawraga loisin giba amadi madu pass tawraga ek olan giba kariguma ahong mata leitaba ek se akoina hanadigi hauna akoina object tawraga lakpado adum continue tawgani